Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini Creative Ideas. Today's video is totally different from my other videos. In this video, I'll show you how I make over my balcony. This is my unused car carrier. I had painted this with the different colors, that is green, yellow and red. And then I hanged it on a wall. More details, I have already uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that. Now I am hanging pot on a duly painted carrier. For more details, I have already uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. And for the more help, the link will be provided in the description box also. This is my unused pot stand. Now I am painting this with a blue color to give the enhanced look. The same I am doing with this also. When it is totally painted, let it be dry for 2 to 3 hours. Now I am painting some pot also in the same color. When it is totally done, it looks like this. Now I am giving some water to the plants. In the whole video, I am showing you the best out of waste. This is my unused tire. Now I am making the hole in the tire with the help of drill machine. I am making 32 holes 8 by 4. Be careful while making the holes in the tire. Now I have done with the holes and I am painting green color and red color. When you are done with the colors, let it be dry for 2 to 3 hours. If you want full video of these, please check out my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded this video on my channel. Now I am sweeping and mopping in the balcony. Adding tire seat. This is my unused old table. Now adding bed sheet to this so that it will look nice. Adding some cushions also. This was my unused pot. I am using this as a corner stand. I am adding a piece of marble to it. On that, I am adding some plants also. Now I am placing some carpet. So guys, this is my exact look of balcony makeover. I had decorated the balcony with the totally unused material. This is my first part of balcony makeover. Soon I will upload some more part of balcony makeover. And for that, stay tuned with us. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next part. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.